Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, I just received the package from the Flipkart. What I have ordered is Mama Earth Urban Nourishing Cold Cream. See, my skin is really sensitive, and one of the skin expert, suggested me to use very light cream. Means when we apply on our face or our skin, the cream what we apply or the nourishing cream or the lotion what we apply should really be soft and gentle. That's the reason they suggested me to use this Mama Earth, and this is not any brand promotion or something like that, and this is the third product what I'm using. And just I want to share you my experience only. Maybe this cream may work for different skin types or something like that, I don't know, but just want to share you absolutely my experience. And that too, I got this for 196 rupees only, and this is 100-gram package, and it is included with turmeric and saffron what they are telling. And coming to my experience, as I said, this is the fourth bottle what I'm using, and I feel this personally which is suitable for my skin, as my skin is very sensitive and dry also. When I apply this, my skin or the face is not getting black. When I use some other product previously, when I use some body lotion or face cream, my face used to be something like tan face. When we go out on the sun and when we come out, our face will be in the tan color, right? That sort of feeling I used to feel, and this I didn't feel. At least I am feeling nourishment, means the skin is a little bit smooth only when I apply to this face. Just I'll open and I'll show you the cream exactly how it looks. Yeah, when you open this, yeah, this is what, as they mention, it is with some turmeric and saffron. I don't know what color it is exactly showing, but it is something like with the turmeric and the saffron color only. See, this is the consistency it has. And please do comment which is the skincare routine you usually follow, and if anyone already used this product, Mama Earth Urban Tan Nourishing Cold Cream, please do comment how do you feel about this product. Yeah, I'll attach this product. Please do check the details and more information details when you browse through it.